Time now for reviews from the beach. I'm Richard Saxton with Saxton on Cars. Behind me is the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. It replaces the Toyota Venza as an all-hybrid model. First ever 2025 Toyota Crown Signia launched in the summer of 2024. It's 7.5 inches longer than the Toyota Venza hybrid that it replaces, and it sits lower. The people I've talked to that have a Crown Signia really enjoy the benefit of it being 3 inches lower or so than a typical SUV, so that it's much easier to slide into the driver's seat. The Crown Signia comes in 2 trim levels, the XLE and this limited grade, and both are all-wheel drive hybrids. The 240 horsepower Toyota hybrid system that combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gas engine with electric motors is 21 more horsepower than the outgoing Venza. The 12.3-inch Toyota audio multimedia touchscreen provides lots of features. The Crown Signia has a great display unit, very intuitive. You can go from the navigation to the various music choices to your cell phone input to the vehicle information, all the touchscreen, or you have the hard knobs here, which I really like. You can do the heated seat, the cooling seat, the climate controls are all hard knobs. Another hard knob which is really nice is the music control. You can turn it up and you can turn it down quickly if you need to. So some people really like the hard knob for the volume control. Other nice feature is the cell phone charging port. You also have 2 separate ports here to plug in and charge. Then you have your gear changer here, which you just simply put down into drive, put up into reverse, and to put in park, you just simply push the park button. Please play Sirius 80s on 8. This Limited has a fixed glass panoramic roof with a sunshade to block out the light. Backseat passengers have plenty of legroom even if they're 6 feet tall. The workmanship on the Crown Signia is just beautiful, especially this 2-tone black and brown. And in the back seat, there are vents and also charging ports. This limited edition Crown Signia has beautiful stitching, beautiful upholstery, and the seats are really comfortable. The limited trim has a great quality 11-speaker JBL premium audio system. The Crown Signia is very smartly designed with a lot of cargo space in the center console. And the whining noise you hear is the artificial reverse noise to warn people the car is backing up. The 240 horsepower Crown Signia has good acceleration. It's a firm drive and it feels luxurious. But obviously the biggest benefit is the fuel economy, which is upwards of 37 miles per gallon. Signia is more than 13 inches longer than Toyota's popular RAV4 SUV, giving it a 6.5-foot long fold-flat second-row cargo area. The Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, automatic high beams, proactive driving assist, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, and safe exit alert. An advanced technology package is also available on the limited grade, adding the front cross traffic alert and lane change assist. Opening the rear tailgate is easy. Just under here you stand back and it automatically opens. A lot of space in the rear for cargo, and you push the button to either shut and lock or just close, and the automated tailgate does it all. A lot of cargo space for a full set of golf clubs in the rear. The Toyota Crown Signia starts in the mid to high $40,000 range in the U.S. It's a full all-wheel drive hybrid. I'm Richard Saxton for Saxton on Cars. Please subscribe.